Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Shopify Lite account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for a Shopify Lite account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in shopify.com and hit enter. Once the Shopify homepage loads, look for the Start Free Trial button. Click on this button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type your email address in the provided field. Next, create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password is at least 8 characters long and contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, click Create Your Store. Shopify will now ask for some additional information. Fill in your store name, keeping it unique and reflective of your business identity. Once you've completed the field, hit the Next button. Next, answer a few questions about your business. Select your current selling status, whether you're already selling or just starting out. Provide the necessary details regarding your business location. Once this information is filled out, click Next again. At this stage, you may be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Select the Shopify Lite plan to proceed. You'll then need to enter your payment information. Provide the required details for your credit card or select an alternative payment method. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit your registration. After a few moments, you will receive confirmation that your Shopify Lite account has been created. You'll now be directed to your Shopify dashboard, where you can start setting up your store. Congratulations on registering for your Shopify Lite account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.